Learn English to Gujarati. Pick up to send with.
લઈ આવવું,
And.
મોકલવું.
Welcome to the chaos. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a suitcase, a station, and just enough confusion to make it memorable. Listen, laugh, and repeat with me. Today our hero is you. You are standing at the door with a bag, a box, 2 keys, 1 mysterious snack, and absolutely no plan. First, your friend calls from the station and says, "Please come and pick me up." In Gujarati, that is.
લઈ આવવું.
Then your aunt shouts, "Take along the umbrella." That is.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Your neighbor adds, "And bring along the notebook." That is.
સાથે લાવવું.
Already, the trip is crowded, and you have not even left the front step. The station adventure. Let's make the first words stick with a story you can picture easily. Imagine the scene as if you are inside a comedy film. You drive to the station too.
લઈ આવવું.
Your friend. You planned to pick up one person, but somehow you return with your friend's bag, a plant, and a bag of peanuts. Before leaving home, you remember to.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Your keys. Good choice. A locked door is a bad teacher, but a very effective one. Your friend arrives and says, "Did you?"
સાથે લાવવું.
Water? You smile proudly. For once, yes. So here the pattern. Go and get someone back is.
લઈ આવવું.
Take something with you is.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Bring something with you to another place is.
સાથે લાવવું.
Bag drama at home. Now you are back home, and of course the bag becomes the main character. Bags in language lessons always have strong opinions. You look at the suitcase. First you need to.
ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું.
Everything, which means unpack. One sock comes out, then another, then a spoon. Why is there a spoon? No one knows. Earlier, before the trip, you had to.
પેક કરવું.
The bag, that means pack. So the opposite pair is easy.
પેક કરવું.
To pack and.
ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું.
To unpack. Pack the chaos in. Unpack the chaos out. Return it, remove it, send it. Here comes the part where objects start traveling more than some people. You will hear 3 useful action verbs together. Your friend borrowed your book yesterday. Today you say, "Please."
પાછું લાવવું.
The book. That means bring back. Then you see an ugly broken chair in the hallway. You beg someone to.
દૂર લઈ જવું.
It. That means take away. Finally, you find a package on the table. It must go to your cousin, so you need to.
મોકલવું.
It. That means send. Quick contrast.
પાછું લાવવું.
Is bring back.
દૂર લઈ જવું.
Is take away.
મોકલવું.
Is send. Mini dialogue madness. Now listen to a fast, funny dialogue. You can repeat each Gujarati phrase after the pause. A. Can you pick up grandma from the station? B. Yes, I will.
લઈ આવવું.
Her. A. Don't forget to take along the tickets. B. Yes, I will.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Them. A. Please bring along some water. B. Sure, I will.
સાથે લાવવું.
It. A. And bring back my charger. B. Fine, I will.
પાછું લાવવું.
It. A. Also, please take away that weird box. B. The weird box? The singing one? Fine, I will.
દૂર લઈ જવું.
It. A. After the trip, unpack your bag. B. Yes, I will.
ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું.
It. A. Before the next trip, pack early. B. I know, I will.
પેક કરવું.
On time. A. And send the parcel today. B. Yes, I will.
મોકલવું.
It today. Quick memory drill. You are doing great. Now let's lock the words into memory with a short challenge. Pick up.
લઈ આવવું.
Take along.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
Bring along.
સાથે લાવવું.
Bring back.
પાછું લાવવું.
Take away.
દૂર લઈ જવું.
Unpack.
ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું.
Pack.
પેક કરવું.
Send.
મોકલવું.
Final challenge. Last round. I'll give you the situation and you think of the Gujarati verb. No pressure. Just a tiny heroic amount of pressure. You go to the station and bring your friend home.
લઈ આવવું.
You carry your umbrella with you.
સાથે લઈ જવું.
You arrive with snacks for everyone.
સાથે લાવવું.
You return a borrowed book.
પાછું લાવવું.
You remove the old chair from the room.
દૂર લઈ જવું.
You open the suitcase and take everything out.
ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું.
You put clothes into the suitcase before the trip.
પેક કરવું.
You mail the parcel.
મોકલવું.
You did it. Nice work. You just traveled through a whole mini world of Gujarati action verbs without losing the suitcase, which is honestly impressive. Today you practiced.
લઈ આવવું. સાથે લઈ જવું. સાથે લાવવું. પાછું લાવવું. દૂર લઈ જવું. ખોલીને બહાર કાઢવું. પેક કરવું.
And.
મોકલવું.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and come back again soon. Your Gujarati is getting stronger every time.